Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available screen off gestures on OnePlus Ace 3. For this we'll need to open our settings, inside move to additional settings at the bottom and go for gesture and motions. Inside we can see screen off gestures, enter them, and first option is double tap to wake or turn off screen, then there's draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on and off flashlight, and music control. Now when we lock our device, we can double tap to wake up the screen, double tap again to lock it down. Next was draw O to open camera on locked screen, draw V to enable or disable the flashlight, and music control works like this. You need to draw arrow to the right to play next track, draw arrow to the left to play previous track, and draw pause button to either play or stop the music. Now there's also three different gestures that we can use in more. First being arrow up, then there's M and W. When you activate them, you'll be able to assign different function for each of those gestures. In this case, let's go for arrow pointing up, and we can either set this to unlock our phone, make a call to specific person, or open any app on our device. Let's go for Google Play Store and try it out. On the lock screen, we need to draw arrow up, then enter the password for our phone, and it should launch the app that we assigned. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.